Good evening to you all, respected Dean, Dr. Rasipasuli, Vice President and Vice Provost, Office for Equity and Diversity, all the host families, and my dear friends and colleagues. In fact, it's a pleasant experience to share our reflections on behalf of the Indian MBA Fellows. It was really a good experience that initially we had some hiccups in the procedures for getting admission here. But after coming into contact with Professor G. Krishna, who is our advisor, and then Sudha Shetty, who is the Director for International Fellowship Programs, we were at ease. We were in touch with her, and she was able to arrange an excellent accommodation for her in the University Village. And when we came here with a lot of furniture and all the utensils and whatnot, really it was really a wonderful experience, and we had a very comfortable stay. So we are really very thankful to her for arranging an excellent accommodation for her, for us. Then, when we reached here in Minneapolis airport, some of us were already in touch with the host families. And the host families, it was really a thrilling experience to meet them, because they were there at the airport even at the early morning hours. And then they led us to our village. I really thank for the hospitality, love and affection which they showered on us. Most of the families have really become an extended family, and we have immense regard for all of what they have done to us and our families. I thank the host families for all the help which they have done to us. And we are basically sponsored by the Government of India for an MBA course. And Professor Gary D. Krishna is our advisor. With his valuable suggestions and guidance, we were able to select some of the very good courses for us, and he was cautioning us that because in a hurry we have to reach 30 credits within a year. That was our mandate. So we were in a hurry to take 17 and 20 credits, 19 credits and all. So he was cautioning us, go slow, don't so hurry up. So we thank Professor G. Krishna for his excellent suggestion and help in leading us. In fact, we have all worked for the Indian government for 15 to 20 years, and after a long gap we are at the university. Along with these tight schedules, we were having our orientation programs along with the Humphrey Fellows, and we attended all the retreats. It was really a good connection, and we felt as a team we were working together. We thank the Humphrey Institute for bringing the Government of India MBA Fellows along with the Humphrey program under one umbrella of International Fellowship Program. It is really an enriching experience for most of us to have met people from different parts of the world with different cultures and traditions. It was very nice to share with all the experiences with all of your colleagues. And I understood really that different nations are there with a lot of differences, but people who are loving peace, we all are same. This I understood from here, and we will continue to have network with them. It's really a great experience.